So, good morning, everyone. I warmly invite you, especially in today's, Sunday special webinar, and it is a weekend, and I hope you are having good time, especially with your family and friends. And first of all, thank you so much for joining today's webinar. And I do understand you also understand especially the value of taking care of yourself. And before we go further, I just want to introduce myself. I am a coach Sonal Chauhan, and uh, I'm a happiness painting coach, and I am also a founder of Happiness Painting Club and Sonal Synergy Studio. And I have built almost around 300 to 400 plus artworks, and also I am into stress healing space from last 8 years. And I also worked in the corporate for more than 18 years, and I started my painting journey along with my job that was very stressful, and painting really helped me, especially to manage my work as well as all my career and family environment. And digital coaching space, I am from last 2.5 years, and it has been really exciting journey for me, and I got a chance to conduct many workshops, really to do workshops which is totally painting related, to just start anybody's journey. And also I have conducted many live sessions. I have also running my podcast, which is dedicated for the healing space only. And other than that, I have developed many frameworks, and for the reduce that healing time, especially within limited healing time, how anybody can really burst their stress and how they can release their stress. But before I go into that detail, I just want to tell you about few ground rules of the webinar. Ground rules are pretty simple. If you have any question, you can ask in dedicated Q&A session. But if it is really triggering your mind, so you can just type that into the chat window. I will respond, according to flow of the webinar. The second one is make lots of note, because any note can really change the direction of our life. The same way I was attending one of the webinar, which really helped me, especially to explore this area. It literally changed the way I operate. So do not miss that part. Make the notes which you feel can help you, especially. And other than that, if you'll stay till the end of the webinar, you will be entitled for not one, not two, total 7 gifts. So let's continue today's webinar, and let me share my screen. So whatever you are, the reason you joined this presentation will really help you to find your next step. So we are going to especially learn the three secrets about unlocking inner happiness and transforming stress into the art with the happiness painting model, which is basically a my proprietary framework. So these ground rules I have already told you, and these are the gifts you will be entitled if you will stay till the end of the webinar. One of them is a AI based, empowered healing and balance that will really help you to identify micro issue, and you can give the detail about that. It will exactly give you steps for a week, and that will really help you to come out of any sort of problem related to the healing and work life balance. And you will be also entitled for the best selling book and time and energy management tools. So these all are the gifts. Now, what we are going to learn today, we are going to learn about why it is important to especially address the stress relief at the early stage rather than accumulating that for the longer period of time. How my journey started, what is my mission, and what are the top three secrets which I discovered from my daily practice and 1200 hours of the research and also the expertise in the stress healing. I'm also going to tell you about my few products. So this is the basically a about art therapy and the healing industry growth from year 2018 to 2025. So it doesn't include, it is more about the art related I'm talking about, and it is keeps growing because it is a well recognized art therapy and the healing through art and painting is a well recognized stream. And not just that, within India, globally, it is a well recognized and it is keep growing from the year 2018. This is the last 5 year data. And projected growth for the art therapy and healing industry is also, it's a, constant growth because stress is the one of the, one of the problem which will, I feel, will never go. It will keep accumulating because it is associated with our norms, working norms and the needs, and the social needs, everything. So stress and anxiety, especially the healing related to that, it projected growth is huge and it will keep growing because we are totally going into the digital space. It is having its own set of pros and cons. Now let's understand the statistic age wise, especially the symptoms of anxiety and the depressive disorders. So everything starts with the stress and anxiety, and depressive disorder is being in the stress for the prolonged period, right? So that turns into the anxiety and the depressive disorder. So what is the age group? 18 to 24, it is almost 50%. Then 25 to 49, it is a 38%. 50 to 64, it is 29. Then it keeps reducing. Now, let's understand the very important points about the stress that will really help you, especially to understand why I'm having this mission also. So, stress is basically highly ignored in the sense in the especially demanding industries such as, healthcare, then IT, especially, which is totally information driven, right? And then entrepreneurship. There's so many industry which is very dynamic and demanding. It is somehow linked with the productivity and the personal capabilities. If somebody is stressed, so it is considered it's a weakness of that person rather than being empathic about that. And that is the reason most of the time it is ignored until it reaches to the depression, depressive disorders, or the anxiety or the panic attacks. So main reason is for the dynamic environment, dynamic industry, it is considered at the weakness rather than something has to be addressed. Now, 70 to 77 percentage of the people experience psychological and the physical form of the stress. 33% people feel they are under extremely stressful situation, then they cannot do anything about that. 76% people say their stress is due to money and work. That is the main reason. I already told you, it's a working environment, right? Employment environment, money and work especially. 48 percentage people don't get healthy sleep due to stress. So stress take a toll on of our bodily recovery, natural body and mind recovery, that is a sleep. 54 percentage people accept stress cause unusual behavior to them. Sometimes you will not be aware it is due to stress, but it you will see the difference. You start noticing that after this. Medical healthcare is highly expensive once we lose the track of our health, especially that is a mental health. Now, stress impact in four dimension, especially. The first one is body, mind, behavior, and fourth one is emotions. Body sides, if you're observing headache, frequent headache, then muscular twitches, torn muscles, frequent infections, skin irritation, breathlessness, and fatigue all happens at the body level. And if without any reason you are getting stomach pain or the back pain without any reason, such as even though you're taking care of your spine, etc., but due to certain situation you are getting back pain or the stomach pain, that is also a sign of the stress. Now at the mind side, it is more about constant worrying with, sometimes reason is there, sometimes just thinking about the reason, it's like a restlessness, constant worrying, muddling thinking, impaired judgment. And then hazy decision, it also take a toll on the decision making capabilities also. Negativity and indecisionness, sometimes we are not able to take decisions, so we try to go, let's not do that, or let's postpone it right now, right? So indecisionness, not able to conclude the decisions. Now behavior side, it is smoking more, restlessness, isonemia, loss of sex drive, drinking more, and loss of appetite or the binge eating. So this happen at the behavior side. Emotion side, it is a loss of confidence, more fuzziness, irritability, anxiety, alienation, depression, and apathy all happens at the emotion side. Sometimes due to stress, we are not able to feel our emotions, whether we are actually happy, we are actually sad, or we are actually stressful. So it is called, especially not able to numbness, emotional numbness, it is called. Now, prolonged stress, normally in the stress, our brain releases the hormone named cortisol, and prolonged cortisol, spatially release is not good for most of our body parts and the body system. Physical side also I'm talking about. It turns into the suppressed immunity system, and then the diabetes also, fertility issues also, and then bone density side also, functioning of the kidney also, and more than that, it takes really a toll on our thinking pattern, behavior, and our brain side also. Now, why? Let's understand the stress. So, stress is not our enemy. Stress is fine actually. As long as we are able to handle it, we are able to manage it. So, everybody is having certain threshold for the stress. So, their capability is different, or sometimes it is ignorance also. Maybe you are getting into fatigue, but your priorities are different. So, you are, rather than taking care of that, you are focusing on that. So till that point in time, it is called the optimum stress. Till that is fine. The moment it is exhausting you, exhausting in the sense it is too much stress, so it is overload on your mental side also and body side. So that is the time you have to understand. It is really important to, manage that stress or take a step towards the, especially the stress bursting or the stress management. Now you can understand, you can just figure it out your daily working pattern, how it is. Are you getting fatigued and exhausting on the daily basis? Then definitely you have to start it from the day one rather than over exhausting yourself. Because I already told in the previous slide, prolonged stress really take a toll on our health. mental health as well as physical health. Now, how my journey started actually. My journey started especially in the year 2006, and I went into the IT industry in year 2006, and then from there for almost 18 years I was working for the IT sector. And within the IT sector, I went through so many different sort of assignments, which is, different time zone and different, technical space also, and many were very challenging and stressful also, and I was able to manage most of them. But from year 2016, I started noticing, more stress. It is like, too much stress, especially on my working patterns. And that was the time I reconnected with my childhood passion, and that was painting. From I restarted that, and I started seeing difference in myself. It was really helping me in the busy day or the stressful day. It was really helping me. And from there, I literally continued all my, especially the, painting and the healing activity. So I worked for the Tech Mahindra, which was initially Satyam Computers. Then I moved to SCL Technologies, then IBM, and from year 2023, I'm in Internet Lifestyle Hub. I'm a part of especially the mentorship program, and under that only I started my digital coaching journey. And these all are my family and my colleagues from the different, companies, MNCs, and especially work side. And I have been a family oriented, and at the same time, balanced with respect to my career also. And I believe in the freedom and especially love and service. So I have served most of my clients MNC with my full dedication, and I have been a constant performer, especially high performer within the IT industry. And from my childhood, I have been in the traumatic experiences, and that was the reason I used to feel more connection with the painting during my childhood, painting and any creative activities. And work side also, I already explained it has been constant stress and anxious situation, and there also painting especially helped me. And one second, painting especially helped me. So I took a painting as a medium for the stress healing because that was really helped me. And that was the reason I came under mentorship of Siddharth Rajshekhar, who is the India's renowned digital coach who has literally built 150 plus crorepati. And I am under his specially mentorship. And under that, I have launched exhibitions, I have written books, and more than that, I started my digital coaching, and I have launched my frameworks for the stress healing journey. So let's understand what are the three things, especially the three key learning, or I would say the secret from my entire life journey, as well as my corporate experience also there, especially the art and the creative activities helped me especially to manage my stress, and not just managing that, bringing the productivity and more than creativity in all the work which I do. So what are my top three secrets? The secret number one is Secret number one is a therapeutic power of the brush stroke. Because when I started my journey, I was not knowing what is a therapeutic or what is a therapy or what is a art therapy. Painting for me was like any other hobby, which was associated with me from my childhood only. But if somebody is starting new, or somebody in the zone or zone, for them, understanding therapeutic power of breaststroke can be slightly challenging, but let me tell you, it is backed up by the science, and it is not just I'm using. There's so many around the world, they are using it especially for many reasons, not just for the stress healing. Now, let's understand how to use that for the healing, especially as a therapeutic, right? Therapeutic activity. The step number one is acknowledge emotions without judgment. Acknowledge emotions, because I already told you stress or being everything is linked with the productivity. So sometimes we hesitate to accept that we are stressed. So acknowledging emotions without judgment is very important. Then step number two is paint with presence, not pressure. The step number three is a reflect and reframe. When we talk about reflection, means how I am feeling now, how I was feeling earlier. These questions we need to ask, not about how is my painting is looking. No, that is artistic side. We are talking about our emotions, so we'll be how I am feeling now, right? So that is a step number three. Now these all are the therapeutic brushstroke from the different way, each one is associated with the different emotions, each is having its own significance. Once you will join my community, I will teach you everything. Now, what is a secret number two? Secret number two is spatially very, it's a key one. It is a key for the healing key of the self-expression. So, what is a secret number two? Secret number two is expressing vulnerability and authenticity via expression. This is the point, like it really helps to bring out the stress. So, let me tell you one very important thing. Stress is not just emotions. It's stress is not just a outcome of certain thing. It's a entity which get accumulates in our body and muscles. So it is very important to take it out through different medium. So art therapy and painting is one of the medium. So expressing that, if you really want to take it out, so it is very important to express your vulnerability on authenticity via self-expression using painting. So, self-expression. So, what is a step for that? Simple. You don't need an artistic experience for that, but you need a authenticity and intention of the self. For everything, any healing medium, you need especially the acceptance, right, and authenticity also. So, what are the three steps especially to bring that? So, step number one is choose raw truth over aesthetic perfection. Because painting is normally associated with the aesthetic part only. So, we need to choose the raw truth, what we want to actually, in which emotion or which fact we want to be vulnerable, right? So, that we have to choose raw truth over how I am going to represent that over my canvas or paper, rather than how. We need to choose the what, right? What. Then step number two is a paint what you can never say out loud. You need to paint that. And step number three is a witness without editing. Do not think about that. Do not judge. Do not just, it's just a witnessing that. That's all. Sometimes taking that out and without thinking too much about that and without judging and without labeling, that really helps with respect to the healing. Now let's understand in a different type of self-expression. So it's the same slide, but each one is associated with different way of self-expression. Each one is having its own raw truth, which has been expressed through the medium painting. Now, what is a secret number three? Secret number three is it is really, I spend a lot of time, and not just lot of time, I worked especially in the dynamic industry, and I know the in and out of especially the time related constraint. So my secret number three is basically to manage the time which really work, right? For your healing. So secret number, I have developed the magical 30 minutes formula, which is really will help you. Just 30 minutes. You need to block your 30 minutes for the healing on the weekdays, especially, and you can do in weekends also. And that is 30 minutes I have designed with my own experience. considering the constraint, time constraint for the working professionals and the busy minds, and more than that, which really works, that is very limited time. So for that, this 30 minutes has been divided into the three parts. The 5 minutes is for grounding, 20 minutes is for painting, and 5 minutes is for reflection and witnessing. So now let me tell you top secret. More time will not heal you faster. It is not like you will get the more time, your recovery will be faster. It doesn't happen that. What is a key? Key is a consistency. Doing that limited time with the consistent manner, that will really help heal you faster. Now, how to utilize that time and how I am utilizing that time in the magical 30 minutes formula. Step number one is set a safe and the space where you feel expressive, because sometimes space is a constraint. Maybe you feel, no, this is a safe space and all. Still, you need to find the space which is non-disturbing, especially, any corner or any place. And then 5 minutes, and then just set that space, set the intention, and take a deep breath. Step number two is express freely with the colors. Choose the medium, choose the colors, and express is freely for the 20 minutes. Step three is just a witnessing and reflecting, not judging. 5 minutes is for that. Once you join my community, I will tell you that in detail what you have to do in the step two and what are the different affirmation, different medium, etc. for the step one and step three. So that detailed part, once you'll join my community, I'm going to teach you that. These all are the activities for the magical 30 minutes in the different. Now let's do a very simple exercise with me. That is just you can use your digital notes or paper or pen, whatever is near to you. You can just do that. When was the last time you did something just for yourself that made you feel mentally light and emotionally free? What you did? That is a question number one. Question and number two is that if your stress or the emotional load had a color or shape, what would it look like right now? That is the question number two. Now, question number three is what would change in your life if you could paint out your stress freely, fear free, or any confusion in just 30 minutes? And we can, you'll after 30 minutes, whatever you are feeling right now, negative emotions or any confusion and all, after 30 minutes, I'll be fine. If somebody can give you that assurance, what changes it will bring in your life? So that all three questions you can answer that. You have 1 minute. You can pause this and you can just answer this and continue with this particular, video. Thank you. So, what is the next step actually? Would you like to experience how just one brushstroke can release stress and help you feel emotionally lighter, even if you haven't painted before? I do understand holding a brush, holding a something makes you, like you have to make something aesthetic. It's not necessary. You have to just rewire your mind. You're working for the painting. So just if you are very new to the, brush, or you are very new to, just consider that this as a pen, right? You're holding a pen. Now you will be, rather than writing, you will be, because writing, we are judging that. We are judging certain emotion that we are translating that into the words, right? We are constantly judging during writing. But here it is not at all that. It is a free flow emotions which you are just witnessing, right? So if you have never painted before, this is the right time for you to take that step right now. Do you want to know the path which is led for you to achieve this under guidance? This is a path for you. You will be starting your journey as a starter. Then within 3 months, you will learn everything. If you haven't holded a brush, you will learn that also. If you are struggling with the time management, work-life management, or simple day-to-day stress, or simply your productivity, everything will be sorted out within 3 months. Then 6 months after certain milestone, which is literally decided by me based on your, parameters such as mindset and how it is the ceiling is working. You will be given a Hall of Fame award, and within 1 year, you will be thriving in your workspace, and especially in the creative zone and the stress, management, everything. So this journey is very simple, and trust me, it is very fulfilling once you'll start holding the brush. Now, this is all my formulas and frameworks which I have developed under the mentorship of renowned coach, digital coach. So everything is well researched, proven by the science especially, and incorporated. Along with that, it has been customized for the dynamic workspace such as IT, healthcare, and entrepreneurship especially. So this is specially for you, and once you will literally learn that, you will be able to not just you'll be able to help yourself, you'll be able to help your family and the people around you. It starts with you, then it ends with, especially doesn't end, but you will keep, tracking that chain along with the people around you. This is, we'll start with assessing yourself, assessing your routines, assessing your environment, then assessing your stress response, how you're responding, stabilizing everything. What after assessing that, then revitalizing means refreshing yourself, re-energizing yourself, then continuing your journey for the creative growth, right? Uh, and personal growth also. So, do you want to start your journey with me with the personalized attention? Especially, it's a well-proven method. So, I do have a a special my silver membership, which is a collection of 11 courses. That is 11 courses. So, this is my main model, or I would say framework. That is a happiness painting formula. There, it will be giving you the entire vision, end-to-end vision, how my system works. So it starts with assessing yourself. I'm just giving you the overview. It will be assessing yourself and then doing that self discovery and then goal setting, what exactly you want to achieve within 3 months. Everybody is within this space, everybody's end goal is a stress healing, but maybe problem can be unique, right? So it will help you to address that within 3 months, especially through the painting, and whatever you are going to learn in 3 months, it is not like, quick fix or something. You can prolong that, for your entire growth, especially in the, your career and everywhere or direction. Because once you have a certain issues related to behavior or the stress related, it impact everywhere, right? So this is an ongoing journey. And other than that, I'm offering rest of the bonuses also. That is a mind vigilance launchpad that will help you, especially related to your mindset and routines. Mindful canvas Zen model, especially to start your journey in the painting, healing through painting. Chronosync formula is to managing time, and the magical 30 minutes clearly described. And it is like, it will take you and make you and enable you how to manage your time for the healing and other activities also. Seren Escape Blueprint, it will to manage your environment, because your environment makes you and breaks you. Chronozen formula is especially for the deadline stress. That is more, that is the key for the dynamic environment such as IT, healthcare, and entrepreneurship. Everything is a time driven. So this will help you how to manage the deadline stress. Equivalent formula is a work-life balance. Everything is a linked, actually. Everything is a link. So equilibrium formula will help you to work-life management and balance also. Revitalize, re-energizing, refreshing, So that is a revitalized blueprint. And then 9 live mission for the 3 months. That is a pentathon. Each mission is associated with one of the problem that will take you towards the superstar journey. Now there will be a weekly call, that is and also the clarity and strategy one-to-one call giving, that is rare. One-to-one call, personalized attention is for that only. Other than that, you'll be getting the private community access, award recognition, events, live events also once I'll conduct. Overall value of this entire bundle is a 1,24,989 rupees. considering its impact and also the research and also the proven method and the problem it's addressing. Retail price for this annual subscription is a 14,999 rupees, but for the webinar special only, I am offering this 4,999 rupees. You can block this, and by scanning this QR code, you can make the payment and block this price, because after few weeks I'm going to increase this price, because I am coming up with the second version of this bundle, which I'll be selling on 6,999 rupees only. So you can block this price, and just and also I will not be giving one-to-one in that my next version also. So this is a very special. You can block it now. Once you'll block this, you will be getting that also. So please do that, and as soon as possible, and just let me know if you have any question. You can connect with me one to one. I'm giving one to one also with this webinar. You can connect with me and let me know. And if you want to know any specific journey, and you can definitely do that. And this is a webinar gift. You can just scan that and claim your webinar gifts. One second. So thank you so much and to spending time with me, and I thank you. And you can always connect with me one to one. And also, if you have any query related to any specific issue or anything related to career issue, or if you want to start your journey in the digital coaching, also you are already expertise in something, you can always reach out to me. I do have agency also, which really helps. Especially to build the digital systems, digital agency or the digital coaching also. So that is a Sonal Synergy Studio. So you can connect with me if you're interested on that. So thank you. Bye-bye. I'll see you next week, Sunday. And I'm also starting another webinar series on the Thursday also. That is a different topic. So you can join that also. Bye-bye. Take care.